Welcome to the Accessibility in Canvas series of videos. In this video, we'll be covering the tool Ally. So remember that we have 6 tools currently available in our district to help you with accessibility in your course. And today, we're going to talk about Ally. So, Ally is a tool that we have purchased for use in Canvas. In your course navigation bar, you will see that it says Accessibility Report Ally. When you have enabled Ally and you are ready to run it, then you click on Accessibility Report. This will bring up your current accessibility score for that course. It will likely be higher than you think. Underneath your score, you will see a way to start fixing content. So you can start with the easiest issues to fix, or you can start with the issues that have the lowest score. It doesn't matter how you start, but just get in there and start fixing the errors, and you will see that your accessibility score increases. So let's walk through one quick fix. On the report, once you hit Start, you'll be given a list of items to work on. You can click on the dial of a specific item, or you can navigate in your files or in your course until you find the image itself and click on the dial on the image. This will take you to the window where you can fix it. So, it shows you at the very top the current score for this specific image. Then it gives you some explanations and some hints on how you can fix the problem. In this case, this image does not have alt text, so you basically have 2 options for an image that has some educational content. Then you can type your alt text right here in this box. Or if it's a purely decorative image, then you can just click on the Indicate Image as Decorative. And once you have done either of these 2 options, then it will show you your new score. Yay! 100% for this image. And then you just work your way through each item that the report tells you need to fix. So when you're working with images like this one, you have to make a decision. What kind of image is it? So with every image you look at, you ask yourself, is this an educational image? Well, if so, then is it just a quick concept in this image? Then you can just add a couple of sentences to the alt text to explain the educational content in the image. However, it might be a longer concept, like a chart or a graph that has more detailed information. In that case, then, you're going to want to add a descriptive paragraph on the page, either before or after the image, and then the alt text on the image itself will say something like see descriptive paragraph before or after image. Now, if the image isn't educational, if it's just purely decorative, then in the alt text you can type decorative image, or you can click on the little checkbox for Indicate Image as Decorative. So this is the decision tree for when you have an image that you need to add the alt text to. Another common problem that Ally will help you with is how to make your files accessible. So here's a little decision tree to help you with each file as you're trying to decide how to fix it. The first question you should ask yourself is, can you convert this file to a Canvas page? If the answer is yes, then great. Paste the text from your document into a Canvas page, and this is going to be the best and most accessible option because Canvas has all of those built-in accessibility tools on the page. However, if for some reason you cannot convert your file to a Canvas page, well, then use one of the document types that is most compatible with Canvas. In this case, Microsoft Word docs are the most compatible. However, you can also use PDFs, as long as the PDF has been saved with tags. Another type of file that Canvas will use and give access to your students more easily is the Microsoft PowerPoint files. Now, for all documents, whether it's Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or a PDF, you've got to think about a couple of different things as you're creating the document. First, you want to go through your text checklist. These are all the same types of things as if you were building the information into a Canvas page. You're just doing it over here in your document. You're using headers and subheaders. You're using the numbered and the bullet point lists. You're using bold and italics for emphasis. You're adding alt text to your images, right? You're making the document accessible as you build it. Then once you've built your document, the second thing that you want to do is you want to run the accessibility checker in Word and PowerPoint. So you click on File, and then you select Info, and then you select Check for Issues, and then check Accessibility. At this point, it's going to take you through all of the issues it finds in the document, but if you used the text checklist, there should be very few issues with your document for you to fix. So run through the document as you create it, follow these simple steps, but do remember that help is available. We're not expecting you to make all of your documents and images accessible by yourself. Ally is a tool that will help you identify which images and which documents need a little bit of help to make them more accessible. We're here and we're offering support in person and online. So you can come to our workshops or drop into an open lab. We're more than happy to help. Just let us know. I agree with Carol Dweck when she says that becoming is better than being. Start your journey towards more accessible content today and let me know how I can help.